Quo, formerly OpenPhone, is an AI-powered phone system built for startups and small businesses. It brings calls, texts, voicemails, and recordings into one place with shared visibility so teams can collaborate seamlessly. Its standout feature is Sona. So Sona is an AI receptionist that works 24/7 to answer calls, qualify leads, and route conversations, ensuring no customer is missed. Co also integrates with CRMs like HubSpot and Salesforce, automatically syncing data and saving teams hundreds of hours each month. Analytics dashboard provide oversight, helping managers track performance and trends. The downside is that it may be more than very small teams need, and AI routing isn't always perfect. Go is a legitimate, highly rated solution that simplifies communication and scales with growing businesses. So highly recommended. You can try this app.